If you're looking for natural ways to support healthier and stronger hair plus glowing skin, then mulberry is actually a powerful ingredient you can use both topically and internally. And in this video, I'll show you guys how to make mulberry hair mask rinse, plus how eating it can actually help support hair growth from within thanks to its rich nutrients and antioxidants. Now, right now, I'm all for utilizing what's growing in my garden to help my hair grow, also keep my skin healthy. So let's get started. Now, mulberry helps support healthier hair growth because mulberry leaves contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourishes the scalp. It is also rich in vitamin C and plant compounds that may help protect the scalp from environmental stress and oxidative damage. It can also help soothe and refresh the scalp, especially when used in herbal rinse. And traditionally, this is used to help reduce dryness and support softer, shinier hair, and may help in strengthening the strands and reduce the appearance of brittle, weak hair over time. Alright, so let's make the hair mask first. Now all you need is, of course, fresh mulberry leaves and then aloe vera, because this soothes the scalp, it helps reduce dryness and itchiness, and it creates a healthy environment for stronger hair growth. And then I added in moringa because this one is packed with vitamins A, C, E that helps nourish the hair follicles and supports thicker and fuller strands. And of course, coconut milk because it deeply moisturizes the hair, helping to reduce breakage to keep the strands well conditioned and strong. Now in a blender, I will just put everything in and blend it all together. And then after that, I will strain it. And personally for me, what I do, since it's very hot right now, I put it in the fridge to cool it up a bit and then use this on my hair and scalp. I leave that in for 15 minutes max and then I just rinse it off. Now after that, I will use an herbal mulberry rinse. Now all you have to do is just simply boil the water and then add in the mulberry leaves in the water. You can actually add in lemongrass or any herbs of your choice here, but in here I just kept it simple and let that boil for 15 minutes and use the cold infusion as a final hair rinse after shampooing. So basically that's what it is. So for me in here, I just had to use a spray bottle just so that it will be easier for me to apply it on my scalp. Now this is the result of it. Now this is actually one of my go-to hair masks recently, just because it's so easy to do. And I just have mulberry available in my garden. Plus my hair feels super soft and smooth. Also, this helps with strengthening the hair, plus the rinse is great for clarifying the scalp while nourishing it as well. Now, I'm using hair masks more often on my hair just because of the extreme heat here. This really helps a lot, not only from preventing dryness but also from dry and flaky scalp, which was my issue before. So this is actually such a great remedy to hydrate the scalp and at the same time fully conditioning my hair as well. Now, how to use mulberry for wellness. In many traditional herbal practices, mulberry leaves are also consumed as tea because they are believed to support all over wellness, circulation, and healthy aging, which can directly support healthier hair and skin over time. And it's also great to eat mulberry fruits because mulberry fruits are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and iron that help support healthy hair growth. It strengthens strands and improves scalp nourishment. They also help promote glowing skin by fighting oxidative stress and support all over body health by boosting immunity and improving circulation and heat balance in the body. Alright, so that is it, you guys. From its fruit to its leaves, mulberry is actually very beneficial if you use it topically or even internally. This is great for both your hair and your skin, and also just for your all over health, okay? Because mulberry leaves actually has a lot of health benefits as well. And also, you guys, growing mulberries is actually very easy. All you need is like cuttings. Now this is actually from my big mulberry tree. I just cut off some of its branches and then I just put it here in the compost potting mix. and then I just watered it and it looks like this now. And this is actually ready to be planted on the ground. That's literally how easy you can grow these. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's ready to bear fruit. So you can harvest them early. You could actually make them bonsai as well if you want to. But it's best if you actually put them on the ground because it'll give you better leaves, better and bigger leaves, and also bigger fruit. Yep, that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope that this actually encourages you to plant your own mulberry tree because it is very beneficial for your health. Just in general, having this in your garden. And if you don't have a garden or a big space, you can definitely plant this in pots. So yep, that's it. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.